Deleted files, a formatted drive, or a crash. Don't panic. In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of recovering the lost data, using the BitRecover Data Recovery Software. To install our data recovery software, download it from the link in the video description. When it opens, the tool maps every drive on your system automatically. Your logical volumes up top, your physical disks right below. No setup, no guesswork. Everything lives in one panel. Recover from a hard disk or an SD card. Repair damaged files. To get started, simply choose the type of file you want to repair by selecting videos, photos, or documents. Let's begin by taking a look at some of the supported video formats. Next, let's explore some of the supported photo formats. Finally, here are some of the document formats supported by the tool. Or work from a disk image. Creating an image makes a sector-by-sector copy you can scan safely offline. The software also provides two convenient options for working with disk images. Use the Load Disk Image option to open a previously created disk image and recover data without accessing the original drive. Alternatively, choose the Virtual Image option to mount supported virtual disk formats, such as VDI and VMDK. The software scans the virtual disk without opening the virtual machine, making recovery secure and efficient. Here are some of the file formats supported by our tool across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and BSD platforms. Let us recover from this external drive. You get the full picture, file system, capacity, and how much space is in use. Then choose how to scan, quick scan, deep scan, or lost partitions. This drive was fully formatted, so we will run a deep scan to reach the data underneath. A deep scan can take time. So that you never have to repeat the process, the software lets you save every scan as a session file. You can reopen it anytime using the load button on the main screen and continue exactly where you left off. Files are sorted into a clean folder tree. Right-click on any folder and select the Save Object List to File option. This exports the list of objects from the selected folder into a file, making it easy to review, share, or use for future reference. Browse the recovered items just like a normal file explorer. The side panel tells you how healthy each file is. Need to verify a file? Drop into a raw hex view to confirm the data is really there. With this many files, filters do the heavy lifting. Narrow by type, date, or size, or hide anything that is not cleanly recoverable. The software includes a search option to quickly locate a specific file. Once you've found the required data, simply select the folder you want to recover. When you are ready, hit Recover and pick a destination. Never save back to the same drive you are scanning, or you risk overwriting your files. Keep the original folder structure and a recovery log, and start. From here it is hands-off. You get a live view of every file as it is written, with speed and time remaining. Pause it, skip a stubborn file, or stop at any time. And your files, back on solid ground, organized and ready to use. From a seemingly empty drive to a fully recovered folder in minutes. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.